Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the Poco X3 Pro device. Is it a worth upgrade from the Poco X3 or not? So last year Poco X3 had got launched, and right now the Poco X3 Pro has got launched. So let's see friends, in this video is actually the Pro version is doing justification for this Pro model or not. So that's why I did make this kind of small chart here, which has got the processor, display, battery charging, camera and price and build quality. All these details, let's see, is advantage for the Pro version or is it advantage for the normal version. So that is what my whole point of making this kind of video is, because a lot of users, they are thinking of buying the Poco X3 Pro, but still the Poco X3 Pro has got plenty of other disadvantages which you need to know as well. But in this video, let's compare only with the Poco X3 side by side. Let's see, is the Pro version is actually worth upgrading from the normal version or not. We'll get to know all these things in this entire video, as you can see friends. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of all the videos which are uploaded. So I was using the Poco X3 device for the past few months, and it's been very good experience using this Poco X3 device friends, without any problem. So and recently the Poco X3 Pro has got launched, and right now I did not have the Poco X3 Pro. Very soon I'll get hands-on with the Poco X3 Pro as soon as possible. So stay tuned for that videos as well, just in case if you want to know. But these are my basic initial impressions, and just I want to compare, because a lot of users, they are thinking of buying the Poco X3 Pro. So I thought of making this video and giving some quick clarity. So let's begin with the first thing. The major thing is about the processor. So absolutely friends, in terms of the processor segment, the Pro version has got better processor and better UFS read and write storage, and you're getting 8GB RAM variant, and you're getting very good expandable storage up to 1TB as well. In this Pro version, there is a lot of improvement in terms of the performance wise. So definitely in this segment, I am giving full points for the Pro version only. So this is an area where the Pro version is clearly the winner in terms of the processor and the performance segment. So definitely friends, I did not expect UFS 3.1 to be there, but definitely you are getting the UFS 3.1. That's the biggest bonus you are getting. So which you can see very good read and write speed storage results. And not only that, you are getting up to 8GB RAM and starting with 6GB. And you're getting Snapdragon 860, which is a redefined version of the Snapdragon 855 plus version, so slightly above the 855 plus version. So overall, in terms of the performance and the processor, definitely the Pro version is doing justification for the name of Pro. So next area is a display. So the display is another most disadvantageous segment of this Poco X3 Pro. The Pro version name is not doing any justification friends when you compare with the normal X3, because the display is kind of same, exactly the same specifications like the Poco X3, apart from Gorilla Glass 6. The Gorilla Glass 6 protection is there in the Pro version. Normal version like Poco X3 has only the normal basic Gorilla Glass 5 protection. So apart from that, everything is kind of same in both the phones. 120Hz, 240Hz, touch sampling rate, 6.67 inches, dot display, everything is gonna be same. So I'm very much disappointed in the display segment. So next, in the battery and the charging, that is also another area friends, which is completely same. So 33 watt fast charging, 5160 mAh of battery, same 5160 mAh of battery for the global variant, but Indian variant has 6000 mAh of battery. So these where things might get interesting, because maybe the X3 Pro might get launched with 6000 mAh or may not get launched in India with 6000 mAh, because previously with the Poco X3 we did face this kind of problem of having a huge weight on the mobile phone. So by taking the feedback from a lot of users, maybe they might stick with a normal small battery. I'm thinking so that might be the case, but let's see friends what will happen. But overall, in the display, battery charging, no change at all. So next is a camera. So in terms of camera segment friends, even the camera has got nothing to do with the improvement, nothing to do with the Pro version as well. The name actually Pro version, it was supposed to have 108 megapixel camera. If the phone has got 108 megapixel camera and 4K 60 FPS recording video, and that would be like really great friends for this phone. Even the price is slightly high also, that doesn't matter, but still you are getting very good camera to buy this phone. So right now you are getting only 48 megapixel camera lens, which is actually present in normal phones, 48 megapixel, and by using that you can only record up to 4K 30 FPS only. As you can see, 48 megapixel. That's a really drawback. The previous version has got at least 64 megapixel camera. They should have gone with the 64 megapixel lens, but instead of that, they are still using only the 48 megapixel lens. That's a very huge disappointing in terms of the camera segment. So next, the price and the build quality. So in terms of the price, usually we did expect the Pro version, by the name of the Pro, the price to be slightly higher. But the global version which is launching right now, which is just below the price of exactly the Poco F3. So let me try to show you, friends. So these are the pricings of the Poco X3 device, so which has been launched last year, as you can see. So 249 and 269, and now the Pro version is launching about 249 and 199 euros, as you can see, friends. So if you convert it to Indian rupees, it will be about 17,000 Indian rupees and 21,400 Indian rupees. As you can see, these are the pricings. So pricing is the biggest point for this Poco X3 Pro at the moment to buy. So apart from that, the processor and the pricings are main reason, friends. A lot of users are buying in this phone. So the Pro version, definitely I did not expect, and the build quality is completely same. So same size, the Indian variant has got 223 grams. So overall the same build quality, same dual speakers, everything it's gonna be same in the Poco X3 Pro as well. So there is nothing much improvement except in the price. So these are the few details, friends, in terms of the both phones. And the Pro version doesn't have 5G. So usually we did expect the phones which are launching in the 2021 to be having 5G, but there is no 5G at all. That's the biggest disadvantage, not the biggest, maybe some kind of disadvantage for some users, maybe the biggest disadvantage for other users. But overall, after going through this, all of these things, the Pro version doesn't do that much justification in my opinion, but it does only the justification in the processor. In the performance wise, 5 out of 5, in the price wise, 5 out of 5. So remaining segments, there's a lot of things are lacking in this phone. So unless I test it personally, we won't be able to know other details like battery life and the camera. Display is gonna be same exactly. So battery and the camera is the two things which I'll be testing once I get my mobile and so on. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends. Definitely I'll be doing my best to cover so many videos once the phone has got arrived here. So make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.